My name's John Richardson. I live in Sun City, Texas, Georgetown. My bone structure was not adequate to support the implants. The implants and the natural teeth that were left eventually became wobbly and had their issues, and they came out. And that left me in an even worse situation. I had all my teeth extracted. I'm having all new put in, but the problem that I have is that there's not much of a firm foundation. So we've had to deal with a lot of that and allowing things to stabilize. The doctors here have been able to create a product, a Dentures, that will work with the foundation that's available. I think that's quite an accomplishment to be able to have done that. The technology they use is amazing. When I look around, I talk to other people, I know that I've ended up in the right place. It's nice to have a nice smile too.